Welcome to Info 5. Like, please. Subscribe, please. Let's go.
One piece. Ooh, that kind of hurts.
إعصار ثلجي يضرب كل من أمريكا كندا واليابان. كل شيء تجمد. الثلوج تغرق المنازل وتبتلع السيارات.
Buffalo was one of the hardest hit areas during the storm, and the time of 30,000 people were left without power and winter weather alerts and advisories ever. Forecasters say nationwide officials attributed at least 18 deaths on the hurricane, but 15 vehicles collided on a highway, killing at least 4 people. An 82-year-old woman was found dead outside her Michigan nursing home on Friday amid dangerously low temperatures. And in the Buffalo, New York area, which saw strangely records of rain and snowfall on Friday, 2 people died in their homes after rescues were unable to contact them amid the historic snowfall in the city.
It's here. Made its way to Buffalo, New York.
On the eastern shore of Lake Erie, Buffalo is currently threatened by blizzard in the extending building snowfall and rising water levels. Visibility dropped to zero shortly after noon, all my clothes and just a sheet of ice. Fox weather correspondent Max Garden said as waves crashed off him from Lake Erie and the Buffalo suburbs of Hamburg. Hamburg was evacuated due to rising water level threatening to flood the low-lying area. Waves reaching height of 14 to 18 feet crashes against it, with up to 4 feet of rain forecast in part of western New York by Christmas. However, when combined with strong wind, the snow created wild patches. The conditions have created dangerous driving conditions leading to a travel ban in parts of the region. Expected in the area over the weekend. The intensified current snow is associated with the approximately severe mid-latitude storm of the bomb cyclone with the Caribbean. The storm is far from over, as the National Guard of the first responders attempt to contact hundreds of stranded people at the blizzard warning remains in effect until Christmas morning and could very well until last format. Wind gusts in the area were as high as 79 millihours according to the newspaper, as experts predicted 15 to 55 inches of snow could fall in some communities after storm ends. A video posted online, a body lying face down the snow and belly in Kingston Avenue has been confirmed by 2 on our side and 3rd death in 2022 snowstorm. While death in Scary Corner, Buffalo police spokesman due to blizzard officer are still coordinating the coastline. Incredible just in power and Mother Nature. Wind also created problems in Buffalo residents. Wind of Buffalo International Airport were 74 millihours. The National Weather Service in Buffalo filmed of snow conditions demonstrate the lack of visibility on the roads. 70 people died due to winter storm that hit the United
Crazy.
States. Temperature that states dropped to 45 Celsius.
Wind. It's just creating these insane